The STRATA HEAT electric radiant floor heating system combines the next-generation floor heat mat with the highest-performing wire, innovative thermostats, and the industry's first thermally conductive thin-set additive to form the most efficient and highest-quality floor heating installation available. The STRATA HEAT Mat design maximizes thin-set-to-wire contact, producing a faster floor heat-up time with more even heat distribution, saving energy and money. It also allows the installer to lay out, adjust, and hold the STRATA HEAT wire in place at the desired wire spacing. Having the same uncoupling mat qualities as STRATA Mat, STRATA HEAT Mat provides vapor management and accelerates thin-set curing, while the adhesive mortar forms a mechanical bond to the mat for greater adhesion. STRATA HEAT Mat allows for the use of the appropriate mortar for the installation. Has instant coverage verification, which allows the installer to see mortar coverage during the installation, and provides uncoupling and anti-fracture performance, all while being lightweight and easy to install with standard tile installation tools. To begin the installation, ensure the substrate is clean and of suitable construct to accept a tile or stone finish floor. All surfaces should be structurally sound, clean, and free from all dirt, oil, grease, paint, concrete sealers, or curing compounds and cement latents. When installing the STRATA HEAT electric radiant heating system over a substrate that acts as a heat sink, such as concrete on grade, it is recommended to first install an insulating layer. 1/4 inch Hydraband board is perfect for this application. Using a LATICRETE polymer modified thin-set mortar, key it into the substrate and then combing it into the rib bed using a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel. Make certain there are no voids beneath the panels and that they are supported solidly. All boards should be laid out with staggered joints. Spread only enough mortar that can be covered with Hydraband board during the specified open time of the mortar. To ensure a good bond between the Hydraband board and the substrate, roll the surface with a 50 to 75 pound floor roller or hand roller with downward pressure within 30 minutes after installation. Allow the mortar to harden before taping joints. Fill all the joints between sheets with LATICRETE polymer modified mortar and embed 5-inch Hydraband sheet membrane sealing tape. The sealing tape should overlap the joint by 2.5 inches on either side. Smooth out the sealing tape using the flat side of a trowel, being careful to remove any excess thin-set. Begin the installation by first conducting a dry layout of the mat to determine appropriate cut length location. Thanks to the 150 square foot roll and the 8.2 square foot sheets, STRATA HEAT Mat allows you to cover floor area quickly and more efficiently than traditional floor heat mats. Simply cut STRATA HEAT Mat to the desired length and mark the edge location of STRATA HEAT Mat on the substrate for proper mortar location. Next, using a LATICRETE polymer modified thin-set mortar, mix to a wet consistency and apply to the substrate using a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel, being sure to key the mortar into the substrate. Spread only enough mortar that can be covered with STRATA HEAT Mat during the specified open time of the mortar. Begin installation by embedding the STRATA HEAT Mat into the mortar, fabric side down. Make sure to leave approximately 1/4 inch between the STRATA HEAT Mat and the edge of the wall or adjacent vertical surfaces for movement. Make sure that the STRATA HEAT Mat pattern is aligned when installing adjacent rolls or sheets of mat next to each other without leaving any gaps. Next, using a trowel or roller, apply even downward pressure to the entire surface of STRATA HEAT to ensure proper bedding into the bonding mortar bed. The STRATA HEAT Mat is available in a 150 square foot roll or 10 8.2 square foot sheets. By combining this new and innovative STRATA HEAT Mat with the other STRATA Heat system products, LATICRETE offers the most efficient and highest quality electric radiant floor heating system available. Only LATICRETE offers a one-stop supply of electric radiant floor heating products, covered by the LATICRETE Lifetime Tile and Stone System Warranty, providing one source, one warranty for STRATA HEAT Mat, STRATA HEAT Wire, STRATA HEAT Thermostats, STRATA HEAT Thermal Pack, Thin-Set and Grout. The highest performance available from the most trusted name in tile and stone installation materials. Visit us at www.LATICRETE.com for more information.